Consumers today are very tech savvy. They know where to find a good deal. They're very price sensitive, so they're always looking for the best way or the best offer out there to book their travel. We have to make sure that we're providing the best product possible. For example, that could be if people want to book group travel of 10 people or more, we need to make that easier. If they want to book an apartment as opposed to just in a hotel, we need to make sure that we have that inventory available. We have grown that a lot, but Adobe has been great at helping us grow that knowledge and that level of expertise, helping us understand the different formats, targeting tactics, all the ad safety rules, things like that. When you start to delve into your audience and try and find out as much as you can about them, you actually find out things which you may not have even known. We had the assumption that our audience was very much a 25 to 34 millennial, very carefree, very young. After doing a bunch of research, we found out that actually globally around 60% of our audience has children in a household. So we're like, oh, what do we do with this level of insight? What we thought about is that we actually should be promoting family holidays or targeting parents a lot more, because we're actually missing out on a big chunk of audience. We work with Adobe to figure out what are the best data points, such as first-party data or even third-party data, to reach those specific audiences. But then what we also try to do is include the creative element as well. Is there a way that we can deliver a more personalized message to each of those audiences, highlighting a variable or a rewarding factor that's relevant to them?